Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all doing well. We recently explored the pristine Mogarkasa Safari Zone in Maharashtra near Pench, a hidden gem teeming with untamed wildlife. Our mission was to spot the elusive black leopard, affectionately known as Blackie, a rare melanistic beauty that's a dream site for photographers and wildlife enthusiasts. Located just 75 kilometers from Nagpur, it's a perfect weekend getaway for nature lovers.
पहिली बार है।
हाँ, पहली बार।
स्वागत है मोगर कसा में आप सभी का।
थैंक यू।
और रिसेंट 2022 में हमारे यहाँ नहीं था, लेकिन 2022 में इधर आ चुका था। और सफारी बोले तो 2024 में ही चालू हुई है यहाँ की। लेकिन जो गांव के जो कैटल चराने वाले जो लोग रहते हैं, उनके ज़रिए हमें पता चलता था कि काला बाघ हमने देखे, काला बाघ ये होता कौन सा है, कि हम भी डिसपॉइंट हो जाते थे। काला बाघ रहता वैसा है। तो उतना आज भी ग्रामीण के लोगों को लेपर्ड बोलोगे तो नहीं समझेगा, उनको बिट्टा बोलोगे तो समझेगा। तब से 2024 में यहाँ स्पॉट हुआ सफारी।
Mogarkasa Gate is a relatively new and rapidly popularizing wildlife destination. It was opened to tourists on October 2nd, 2024, offering a less crowded alternative for safaris. The terrain consists of dense forest, bamboo corridors, and rocky slopes, which provide an ideal habitat for elusive big cats.
तो यहाँ की फीमेल का नाम, कितने फीमेल हैं यहाँ टूरिज्म एरिया में? अभी तो बड़ा हो गया, तो बदल हो गया। अच्छा, तो उसमें भी एक फीमेल है और मेल का स्टोन पूरा में। नदी का मंदिर। हाँ, 15 साल पहले यहाँ पे सभी को फ्रीडम था। अच्छा, तो यानी पूजा पाठ वगैरह होती थी, शिवरात्रि इधर गाँव में तक दिया खाना रखा जाता था, मेला जैसा भरता था यहाँ पे। उसके बाद में कंजर्वेशन हो जाने के बाद में फिर बनी नहीं या बाबा के धर्म पादुका जो नागपुर से आए थे इस जगह, उनके धर्म पादुका परमात्मा वाले काफ़ी आते थे यहाँ पे। अभी उसके बाद में फिर बंद कर दिए। तो शुरुआत में टाइगरेस यही होती थी, दोनों अपने कब के साथ। यहाँ पे साइकिल भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुई। हाँ हाँ।
We were taking in the forest beauty when we caught a glimpse of a spotted dusky eagle owl, which is very rare. The dusky eagle owl is generally considered uncommon, often difficult to spot due to its nocturnal shy nature and preference for dense old trees near water. After spending some time capturing photos and videos, we continued our safari. The safari was on its last stretch, and we still have not caught a glimpse of the tiger or the elusive black leopard, the very reason we came here in the first place. And then, guys, our luck changed. The Mogarkasa female tigress emerged walking majestically beneath the tall grass. Oh my god, we were over the moon. What a way to end the safari. The last minute sighting was absolutely incredible. We headed back, beaming with joy and already counting down the hours until our next morning safari. The morning safari kicked off with a beautiful sunrise. The alarm call had us on high alert. Our expectations were sky high.
लगभग कुछ अंदर बोल रहा है अंदर क्रॉस मार लिया निकल गया लंबू बोल रहा पीछे निकल गया क्रॉस कर लिया उसने
We waited patiently for almost 20 to 30 minutes. However, the big cats remained elusive. morning safari did not quite deliver. We headed back and waited for the afternoon safari, which was our last safari at the Mogarkasa gate. We set off on the afternoon safari with a bit of a low vibe. As our guide said, it's been 15 days since Blackie was last spotted. It's clear now, it's not gonna be easy. Spotting Blackie is all about luck. Low expectations were blown away in an instant. We got the call, Blackie has been spotted. We rushed to the spot and oh my god, there it was, sitting pretty, relaxing, waking up from a nap. Speechless and oh so grateful. We knew we were witnessing something special, and to think it happened after 15 long days felt like the ultimate reward. Pure luck and pure magic. The universe gave us a 5-minute window, and it was pure magic. Blackie showed up, put on a show, and vanished into the forest. Those 5 minutes are forever.
आवाज तो यहाँ आ रहा है।
We waited there for a long time, hoping Blackie would reappear and cross the road. But nothing as such happened. All we got were the intense alarm calls echoing through the forest. Our mission was accomplished, and what a way to wrap it up. We headed back home, still pinching ourselves over the luck we had to spot Blackie. Those memories will stay with us forever. I hope you liked this video. If so, please like, share and comment. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, bye.